Santa to dismiss these people, it was passed to then General Purisima, who's the chief PNP, because on several times, basically the policies changes. It depends on the instructions of the chief PNP. I can only surmise, Mr. Chairman, that probably during his time, all the dismissed personnel, especially so with officers, would pass through him, because there were instances that we dismissed personnel, and when their criminal case were dismissed, the court would ask us to reinstate those people with full back pay. But if you remember also, during the time of General Purisima, there was a problem in the PNP also. There were controversies. So I can only surmise that there was confusion then. That's why these people were not actually implemented. It was not implemented their dismissal. However, I'm also wondering why during that time also, I think Mayor Magalong then was the DIDM. He has all the authority, the power, and all the connections to probably follow up their dismissal also. But I really do not know, Mr. Chairman. I'm only telling the facts. Now, on March 2, as I'm hearing now, these people were given the order of dismissal. Due process will tell us that we'll have 10 days for MR. So they filed within the reglementary period, and I suppose that it was considered partially until it came to General Aaron Aquino. Yes, I asked for the status, only the status. I could not possibly influence an RD or an upper class, Mr. Chairman. I'm just the RD and OIC, acting RD of NCRPO then.